What up, people? It's your boy, Manny Salgado. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Manny's Mexican Minute. This time we're in Dallas, in Richardson, Texas, actually. We're going to go in here and try out some Mediterranean buffet. Follow me! Man made a gyro sandwich at a Mediterranean buffet. How's it going, Corey?
But they gave me French fries with no ketchup.
You know that's not.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
How you doing, Teresa? What are you thinking?
This is amazing.
What is that?
I don't know what it is, but
It's amazing. So, guys, just so you know, we're at the Mediterranean buffet. We started off with some vermicelli, some Mediterranean rice. We got the baba ganoush. We got the falafel. We got the things, man. My mouth is watering. I gotta eat. Okay, bye. All right, plate number 2. Finish that one. Lick that one. How you doing, Therese?
good.
What do you think? What do you think so far? Would you come back?
I definitely would be back.
If we're in Dallas, would you come back to this place?
Yes, and I
That's
recommend
just-
people, if they come to Dallas, to come here.
Yes, dude. Fire. Corey, you come here a lot. What do you think, man? Enough said? Yeah? Right there? Bingo. What you got there? You don't even know. Just eating it. It's delicious.
Yep.
Okay. Enough said. Bam. All right, guys. So we just wrapped up a great. Was it dinner, whatever?
It was
Dinner, lunch, supper. Okay.
I don't know. Dinner.
At the Andalous Mediterranean buffet. Corey, my man, been here plenty of times. Teresa,
first time, but
first time.
food coma.
It was fire.
How do you say it?
Andalous,
Yeah.
Andalous Mediterranean buffet.
Check them out.
2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up. Yeah, baby. We would definitely come back. So if you're ever in the Dallas, Richard, this is actually Richardson. It's not, but it's 10 minutes away from Dallas.
North Dallas.
North Dallas. So if you're ever in the Richardson, Dallas, North Dallas area, make sure you come give these guys a holler. The food is delicious. The dolma, the chicken, the curry, the couscous was fire.
The green stuff. The other stuff.
The other stuff.
Yeah.
That other stuff.
Yeah.
And that one stuff. I don't know all the names. The falafel was great. The Mediterranean chicken, the hummus. You can tell they make that hummus from scratch. And the pita, they make the pita from scratch. So,
Right in front of you.
yep, if you're ever out here, man, come on out here to this place. Andalous Mediterranean Market. Until next time, people, love, peace, and taco grease.